Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove or how to change your video background by using CapCut video editor. So let's begin our video. So first of all, I simply open my CapCut application and click on create project. Right now this is my video, that's I want to change background, and this is my another photo. So here you can see this is video and this is photo. I want to change this video background and I add this background on this video. So first of all, I just need to select the photo. So here you can see this is photo and here you can see this is video. I put it on my timeline. So make it both length are same. Right now select your video. Just select video and then you can find the option. Here you can see remove. Just select it. And right now here you can see auto removal. Only human figures can be cut out. So you can cut out this human figure from this video. So I just check mark this option and here you can see applying auto cutout, and here you can see the number is increasing. So here you can see video background already, video already cut out. Right now you can fix your position. So that's it. Right now if I just play it, you can see video background already changed. This photo right now background on this video. So that's it guys. In this way you can change your video background very easily by using CapCut video editor. I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.